Hello and welcome back to another episode on HowLogical. In today's video, we will learn how to find Spotify pie chart. A new tool has gone viral which calls Spotify Pie that compiles data from your Spotify and turns it into a pie chart. The feature isn't affiliated with the streaming service in any way but uses your Spotify data to show exactly what music genres and artists you have been listening to the most. Now, you cannot do this within the app, so you need to head over to the web browser and there search for Spotify Pie. Now tap on the first link, Spotify Pie, and now tap on Login to Spotify button and then enter your email and password, and you will ask to allow the site to view your Spotify account data and activity on Spotify. Now scroll a bit down and press Agree button, and once you tap on it, your personal pie chart will appear based on your listening habits. The pie chart will show you what genre you listen to the most and a list of your top artists and will appear on the net. If your pie chart is also not working, then that's probably because you don't listen to enough music on Spotify to make one. A new pie chart will be generated every month but only works for Spotify streamers. Now that was a really quick and easy video which guide you to find Spotify pie chart. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.